What's up, you guys? Brian Felder here with MaxHousePrice. We're here at another project. This time we're in McLean, Virginia. It's awesome, you guys. Check out this house. You guys are gonna see this is a complete renovation. Check it out, you guys. Obviously we got some pink walls. Pink is one of my favorite colors, but you know what? We probably want to get a little more modernized. So you guys are gonna see we're gonna be ripping up, we're gonna be putting hardwood floors all throughout, as you guys can see. As we're coming through the living room to the dining room, all of this will be updated. I mean, you can see we got ceilings to replace and drywall repairs. We got fixtures and new windows that are gonna be happening. Look at all this stuff. We even got some decluttering to do. You guys, I'm all about vintage. I love vintage like nobody's business, but you know what? The harvest gold is out. This kitchen is gonna be completely renovated. We're gonna be knocking out walls and we're gonna be obviously fixing up the drywall. We're taking out this wall right here, you guys. It's gonna be amazing. Red is back, but not back for us. Check out this carpet, you guys. This is all gonna be demoed. We're gonna have all the hardwood. We're getting rid of the bar. Look at the outdoors, you guys. Look at this. Look at this backyard. We're on a half-acre lot. It's gonna be completely renovated, completely remodeled. I cannot wait. We're putting in French doors where this gorgeous walnut paneling used to be. This is all gonna be knocked out. Check this out, you guys. It's gonna obviously walk into the office area. We got the mudroom area over here. Tom's gonna actually show you guys. We got the basement we're gonna be finishing, which is around here. As we're walking through and we're walking upstairs, you guys will see all this, all the carpet, all the paint, the railings, the handrail, everything's gonna be completely done. Shag carpet, one of my favorite. Feels really good on your feet, but this is all gonna be knocked out. We're completely renovating everything. Look at the bathrooms, you guys. This is all gonna be completely redone. Brand new fixtures, brand new trim, brand new lights, everything. Now we keep going through, as you can see, this is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. We're actually gonna convert this and make this a massive master suite right here. So we're gonna make it a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. I'm excited, you guys. Check it out. Each week we'll give you guys progress. Brian Felder with MaxHousePrice. Check it out, you guys. MaxHousePrice on Facebook or online, maxhouseprice.com. Thanks, guys.